Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorial how to align objects. So as example, I will create a rectangle, and the second object you can create polygons with 4 sides. I will create in here. Now if you want to lines like this edge into this edge, we can use the align command, type align, press enter. I will select these polygon objects, click from this point, move into this corner point, and the second I will click from this point into this point. After it, you can press enter, and then you can type no to move without resize the object. So if you want to resize the object, you can tap yes. So here I will undo, and you can tap again align, press enter, select the polygon object, click from this point into here, and the second point from this point into here. Press enter again, and then you can choose yes to resize the object. Okay, that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorial, how to align objects. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.